Hello everyone, welcome to IAC. Today our discussion about IBPS RRB Office Assistant Grant Test 74. We'll go for the questions directly. Look at the first one. We have a 40 questions. 41st question now. 15 boys together can complete a work in 20 boys, while 20 girls together can complete the same work in 22.5 days. What is the ratio between the efficiency of a boy that of girl? So how to calculate? Here 15 boys complete a work in 20 days and 20 girls can complete it the work in 22.5 days. Instead of 20 girls, we'll take 10 girls. 10 girls complete a work in 22.5, double value is 45. So directly we'll calculate. It is a 2za, it is a 3za. And boys efficiency is 3 parts, girls efficiency is 2 parts. Then what is the ratio? 3 is to 2. Then option D here. Next one, the ratio between speed of boat and still water to speed of water stream is 4:1. The boat covers a certain distance in 12 hours downstream. Find the time taken by boat cover a same distance in upstream. We require the speeds ratio is opposite to times ratio. First of all, calculate for the speeds ratio. It is a down and it is a up. Down purpose we have to add it 5, and up purpose we have to subtract it. It is a 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 is to 3. This is what speeds, but we need timings ratio is what? 3:5. 3 parts is equal to 12 hours, then 5 parts is equal to how many hours? 20 hours. 3 to 12 is 4 times and 5 fours are 20 hours. Then option C here. Next, a man invested 12,000 in each scheme. A and B scheme. A offered compound interest. First one is a 10% rate of interest compounded annually, while scheme B offered simple interest. There are rate of 12% per annum. Find the difference between interest received by man from the both the schemes. How many years? 2 years. Then 10% per annum for 2 years means it is becoming 21%, and 12% per annum 2 years means 24%, and difference is 3%. 3% of here is a given principal value is 12,000. 3% of 12,000, 12 3 is a 36. 360 is our answer. Option E here. Move for the next. An article is marked at a price which gives a 25% profit. Cost price is 100. Now it is a marked up to getting a 25% profit. 100 ఉన్నదని 125 చేస్తే 25 rupees profit వస్తుంది. And after that he is allowing a discount. Now his profit become a 12 only. Now previously originally is 100. Now it is expecting only 12 rupees profit, means instead of 125 we are expecting 12 rupees profit. Then simply we are giving a how much rupees discount? 13 rupees discount. 13 rupees discount is equal to, then percentage wise how much percentage allowed? Then 13 by 125, discount should be applied on this value. Then we need percentage multiply with 100. 25 5 and 25 4. 13 4 value is what? 52. Sorry, it is 52 by 5. 52 by 5 means it is equal to how much percentage? 10 2 by 5 percentage. Next, the circumference of a circle is 88 meters and 132 meters respectively. What is the difference between the radius of the larger circle and smaller circle? Then circumference of a circle. Circumference of circle means 132 is the larger circle, 88 meters is belongs to smaller circle. Circumference formula 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r is 2 into 22 by 7 r. R purpose I am taking r1 or r2. Here I am taking r2 minus r1. Difference between radius 2 pi r, 2 pi r. Okay, pi value is 22 by 7, which is equal to 88 to 132 difference. It is a 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. And 22 and 2 cancel, 44 cancel. R2 minus R1 is equal to, the 7 will be multiplied here. It is the answer is what? Only 7. Option B. Next we have a, till now we calculated miscellaneous. Next we have a directions based on the table wise. So years of table carefully and answer the following questions. Vodafone, Airtel, Idea, 3 SIM values are given, sold by store in a 5 different years. 5 different years. These are the years, and these are the Airtel and Vodafone Idea seller SIMs. Okay. Now coming to the question directly. 46. Average number of Airtel SIMs sold in 2012 and Idea SIMs sold in 2013. 180 and 220. It is the average value is 200. Average value is 180 plus 220. It is a 400. 400 by 2 is equal to 200. How much more or less than the total number of Vodafone SIMs sold in 2014? Vodafone, it is how much? 240. 240 to 200 difference is how much? 40. Then difference is 40. Option B here. For the same data, 47th question. Total number of Vodafone SIMs sold in 2013. Vodafone, it is how much? 180. 180 is what percentage of total Airtel SIMs and Idea SIMs together sold in 2011? 2011 Airtel and Vodafone 180 plus 120, it is a 300. We need percentage multiply with a 100. 180 by 3 is equal 60 percentage. Option E here clearly. Next 48. Find the ratio of total number of Airtel SIMs sold in 2011, 2012, 2014. Airtel value is required. 2011, 2011 120 and 2012 is 300 overall, and 2014 value is 560. And 560 is divisible by 14 and 28 only. That means these are remaining options are wrong. It is not possible. Only we have two options now. Okay. And coming to the next, the question is together the total number of Vodafone SIMs sold in 2011 and 2013 and 2014. 120 plus 180 is 300 plus 240 540, and both are divisible by 2. 28 is to 27. Option A. Next 49th question. In 2005 total number of Airtel SIMs sold is 20%. There is no 2000 up to 2014 value given. 2015 value we don't know, but they are given a reference value Airtel value purpose. 20% is more than the average number of Airtel Idea SIMs sold in 2013. Airtel and Idea. Here look at 200 and 220 value is, it is a 420. 420 by 2 is equal to 210. In 210 we required how much percentage extra? 20%. These two numbers value average is 420 by 2 is equal to 210. Then 210 20% increase. 20% increase means 10% value 21. Now 20% means 42 will be increased. It is becoming 252. Okay. Overall value is become what? 252 particular for Airtel for which year? 2015. Clear. And coming to the next, the find total number of Airtel SIMs sold in 2015. What is the value? 252. Option C. Next. Average number of Airtel SIMs sold from 2010 to 2014. Airtel SIMs 2010 to 2014. This total value is required, that too with average. 120 plus 180 300, 300 plus 200 500, 500 plus 500 hold it 150 plus 260. 150 plus 260 value is what? 410. 410 plus 500, it is a 910. 910 by 5 because 5 years are there by 5. 5 here how many times? 5 18 and 2s are 5 18 are 90 and 5 2s are 10. Clear. Is what percentage more or less than average number of Vodafone Idea SIMs sold in 2013? In particularly 2013 Vodafone and Idea 180 and plus 220 which is equal to 400. 400 by 2 is equal to 200. It is a more or less means it is a less. Less is how much? 18 less. 18 by 200. 18 by 200 into 100. 18 is how much percentage of 200? 18 by 200 into 100. 0000 cancel. 18 by 2 is equal to how much percentage? 9%. Option B. Next we have a miscellaneous again. In a mixture of milk and water, ratio of milk to water is 5:2. If 6 liters milk is added to the mixture, the new ratio of milk and water becomes 3:1. Then find the initial amount of milk we required. Initial amount of milk is contain how many parts? 5 parts. Which number is completely divisible by 5 means only one option, option A. Next. If numerator of a fraction is increased by 40% and denominator is increased by 10%, then fraction becomes 8 by 11. From given fraction, how to calculate original fraction? We have to reversely increase it, you will get an answer. Numerator is increased by 40% means I am writing denominator. Denominator is increased by 10% means I am writing numerator. 0 0 cancel and 11 11 cancel. 2 4s and 2 7s. Then original fraction is 4 by 7, option C. Next question. An amount is divided among Ram, Sham, Gopal in the ratio of 1:4:3 respectively. If the amount received by Gopal is 1400 more than the amount received by Ram, and the ratio is 1:4:3. First one is Ram, second one is Sham, third one is Gopal. Here is 1 to 3 is how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to how much rupees more? 14,000 rupees more. Then we need Ram value. 2 parts 14,000 means Ram value is 7. 1 part is equal to how much rupees? 7,000. That to option D now. Next. Deepak and Shivan entered a business in investing with 50,000 rupees and 70,000 rupees. 5 and 7. Thousands cancel. After 5 months, till now 5 months completed. Then Mohit joins. This is the first one is Deepak and second one is Sham. Third person is Mohit. Mohit joins with the business with 6,000. After 5 months he joined. Then what was the time they are spending? That is our question. Then end of the year means 12 months completed. After 5 months after he joined means his Investment timing is experience is 7 months, he is 12 months, and he is also 12 months. Investment into time is equal profit ratio 6. How many times? 2za and 2za. It is 5 2za, 7 2za, and 7. Now Mohit gets 2,800 rupees his share of profit. Find the difference between profit share of Deepak and Shivam. Deepak and Shivam profit difference is required. 5 to the 10, 7 to the 14 means 4 parts. 4 parts value is required, 7 parts value is given. 7 parts is equal to 2,800. It is a multiple of how many times? 400. Here is also multiply with 400. We'll get a difference between Deepak and Sham. Difference is how much rupees? 1,600 rupees. Option A. Just look at the question and read it. You can easily understand what was the calculation I did. Next, pipe A can fill a cistern in alone in 12 hours, while another pipe is B alone empty the same tank in 18 hours. If pipe A is opened for the first 10 hours alone in tank, and after that pipe B is also opened, then how much time the remaining tank will be filled? A tank will be, total time will be take to complete a full tank is 12 hours. Already it is open for how many hours? 10 hours completed. 12 hours, 10 hours completed means remaining how many hours left? 2 hours or 2 hours work left. How many hours work left? 2 hours work left. This 2 hours work is completed by at a time 2 pipes now. 2 hours pipe. This is a 2 hours work is left, but how much work is there? We have to calculate. Now A time is B efficiency, B time is A efficiency. Yes, efficiency ratio is opposite to times ratio. Now A time is B efficiency, B efficiency is A time. Now A can take 18 efficiency, 18 units in 2 hours. This is going to filling by A and B at a time. A and B at a time. Look at A efficiency is 18, B efficiency is 12 now, but it is a reverse. It is a reverse by negative value. B efficiency is become minus 12. Why? Because it is a alone empty pipe. Empty pipe purpose. That's we are writing 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. 6 to 18 3 times 3 to is equal to how many hours? Remaining purpose. Already 10 hours completed. Remaining 2 hours per work purpose. When it is a empty pipe is also joined. Without empty pipe, it is completed in 2 hours. With empty pipe, it is completed in 6 hours. Then option is here E. Next, we have a DI based on the bar graph. The following bar graph shows the number of the 3 different items: laptop, mobile, LED, TV sold by shopkeeper in 4 different months. 4 different months mentioned: January, February, March, April. Given graph carefully and following question shopkeeper. Okay, so coming to the data, this is the data basically, and we have to utilize the data to solving the questions. Find the ratio between total mobile and LED TV together sold in February. LED and mobile. Look at mobile is belongs to red color, LED is belongs to yellow color, laptop is belongs to blue color. In February, 550 plus 400 means which is equal to 950. LED together February to total laptop and mobile together sold in April. So here 550 plus 400 means 950. 950 is completely divisible by 5 and 19 only. Only one option is contained with combination of 19. Okay, option B maybe till now. So otherwise, then go for the remaining values also. February to total laptop mobiles together sold in April. It is 950. Next April laptop and mobile. Laptop and mobile means first 2 values, particularly April. 450 plus 700, it is 1150. And 0 0 cancel, it is a 9 ja, it is 23. Then 19 is to 23. I told you already, it's option B. For the same data, next question. Due to faulty products, 10% is laptop, 12% is mobiles, and 15% is LED TV were returned out of total units sold of these products by the customers in March month. Find the number of total return. March month value is required, particularly. March is this. Okay. 10% is 35, and 12% is 72. 12% of 672. 15% of 420. LED TV were returned. 15% of 420. 15% of 420 means 30% of 21. It is 63. These all are added. We'll get an answer. It is a 10, and 7 plus 7 14. It is a 170. How many number of mobiles are returned? 170. Option A here. Option A. Option A here. As per the data. Next. 58th question. What is the difference between total items sold by the shopkeeper in the February and total items sold by the shopkeeper in April? So April to Here we require the difference. February to April difference is required. Look at 300 to 450 difference is 150, and 550 to 700 difference is, it is a 150, and next 400 to 480 difference is 80. Total difference is 380. Then 380 means option D here. Next 59th. Total laptops sold in January and February together is, January and February together is what percentage less than? Here 400, here 300, it is a 700, is less than total mobile sold in January and April together. January, April together. January and April together means here 350, and it is, they are asking what percentage less than mobiles, na? Mobiles means 500. Mobiles is what belongs to red color. It is a 500, it is a 700. Overall, it is first one is 700, next one is belongs to 1200. How much difference? 500 difference. 500 by 1200, and we need percentage multiply with 100. 12 to 100 is a 8 times. Okay, 8 times. Then 8 5s are 40. Option is near to 40, little bit more than 40. Then what is option is that is our answer. The answer is what? Here see 41 2 by 3 percentage. 60th. In the month of May, number of sold, May, January, February, March, April. May value they are given a reference. Sold laptop, mobile, and LED TV are in the ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 2 respectively. If number of mobiles sold in May is 284 by 7 percentage. What is a percentage? This is a percentage they are mentioned. 284 by 7 percentage. 14 2 by 7 percentage is equal to 1 by 7. 28 by 4 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7. It is a overall is how many parts extra? 9. More mention, it is a 9 parts. Comparing to 7 parts, overall is 9 parts. Then the number of mobiles sold in April. Number of mobile phones sold in April. April is how much? 700. It is a 7 parts is equal to 700 means 9 parts is equal to 900. Now they are given a May reference value. Then find the total number of items sold in May. May items sold value they are given. Total is how many parts? 2 plus 3 plus 2 means total is 7 parts. 7 parts value is required. But they are given a reference purpose mobiles. Mobiles value in the ratio respectively. If number of mobiles sold in May, that means it is the mobiles is belongs to middle part, 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to 900. 3 parts is equal to 900. Then total parts is required. 7 parts value is what? For May month purpose. 300s and it is equal to May total value is how much? Mobile overall items, total items, not only mobile, total items is how much? 2100. 2100 means option here D. Next we have a number series 61 to 65. We'll deal with the number series. Look at, as per the logic, what is it? 4 8 16 32 48 and 80. 4 can be multiplied. 4 2s and here 8 added and 16 2s and again 8 added. 32 plus 8 is equal to 40 and again it is multiplied 2. Then continuously into 2 plus 8. Into 2 plus 8, then wrong number is 40. Then option 48 is correct number is 40 instead of 48. Then wrong number is 48. Option B is the correct for this question. 62. 14, 26, 46, 74, 110 and 156. Take the difference. Here the difference is 12 and here the difference 20 and here the difference, if you are adding 30 it is a 76 but it is a 28 and here the difference is 26 plus 10 it is a 36 and here the difference is 46. 46 plus 74, yes, and 12, 20, 28, here 8 added, here the 8 added, here 8 added, it should be also 8 added, here is also 8 added. 8 added, now what is the value is 110 plus here 36 plus 8, 36 plus 8 value is 44, then 110 plus 44 is equal to 154. Then wrong answer is what? Option C. Question number 63. 60, 64, 74, 96, 124 and 160. 60 to 64 difference is 4 and 64 to 74 difference is 10 and 74 to 96 difference is 22. 96 to 124 difference is 4 and it is a 28 and 124 to 160 difference is 36. Okay, we have to maintain continuous series or consistency. Okay, consistency like constant difference. So that's why here 28 to 36 difference is 8. Here is also we should maintain constantly 8 and 8. 4 plus 8 it is 12 and 12 plus 8 it is a 20. Then here 60 plus 4 64, 64 plus 12 value is 76. 76 plus 20 is equal 96. Then wrong number is what? 74. Option B. Next 16, 17, 13, 22, 12, 31. Look at here the plus 1 and here minus 4 and here plus 9. Next, as per the code we can understand it is a 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Next should be what? 16. 16 will be going to removing 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 22 minus 16 not 12. Okay. Then it is the wrong number is what? C. Next 2, 10, 32, 68, 130 and 222. Look at it is 1 cube plus 1 and it is 2 cube plus 2 and it should be also we are expecting 4 cube plus 4 and here is 5 cube plus 5 and here 6 cube plus 6. But look at here 3 cube plus 3 is not there. That means wrong number is what? 32. And we have a directions based on the simplification of that to approximation. We should solve it. 12 and 11. 12 and 11 is equal to 132 plus 4 into 59. 460 is a 240, but it's a 1 4 will be left. It is 236. Then finally answer is 368. 368. Then option B. Next 20 percentage of 1240. Then 10 percentage 124 and 20 percentage means 248 plus 60 percentage of 1440. This is how much percentage? 60 percentage. 60 percentage of 1440. Then 50 percentage you can take it either directly you can multiply 6 into 144 also. Percentage wise 2 zeros will be cancelled. 6 into 44. 6 into 144. 6 4 is 24 and carry forward is 2. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 26 and 6 1. 864. And 864 and 248. 800 and 200 it is 1000. And 60 and 40 is also 1100 now. 1112. Then answer is what here? Option A. Next 124 into 3. 124 into 3. 3 into 100. 300. 24 3 is equal to 72 minus 72 5 which is equal to here 360. Sorry. 360. 372 360 difference is what? C. 12. Next root of 320. Basically you can't get root of 320. Okay, then we have to modify the question. So 324 that is 18 plus here is also you can't get 219 and 220. You will go with the 225. It is value is what? 15 is equal to x by 6. X divided by 6. X by 6. 18 plus 15 is equal to 33. Then 6 can be multiplied. 6 3 is 8. 6 3 8 means the option is what? 128. 198. Sorry. 198 option A. 60 percentage of 750. 60 percentage of 750. How to calculate this? 750 we can write 1500 and 60 percentage we can write 30 percentage. 3 15s are 45 and percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 1 0 left plus 15 5s are 75 and 0. 700 and 400 it is equal to 1100 and extra 100. It is overall is 1200. Option B. Next 18 square is 324 plus 6 square is 36 x into 5. 324 plus 36 both are added, it is 360. 360 is divisible by 5. 360 is divisible by 5 means then what is the value we will get here? 72. Okay, 5 7s are 5 2s are option A. Next 248 divided by 12 and divided by 4 into 240. Here 248 by 12 and again it is by 4 into 240. Look at 12 4s are 48. 48 is divisible by 24. It is a 2 times. And 2 how many times? 1 2 4. Then 1 2 4 0. Option B. Next 80 percentage of 1200. It is 8 into 960 plus 36 8 ja. 36 8 ja. 8 6 are 48. 8 and carry forward is 4. 8 3 are 24 20 288. 288. Okay, 8 3 is 24 and 8 6 are 48. 240 plus 48 is also 288. Now added the values here. So last digit is 8, clear, and 28 and 96 added, just 4 added, it is become a 100. It is a 124. 1248 is an option A. Next 576 divisible by 69 3. 576 and 16 into 3 which is equal to x by 2. So 2 8 ja, 8 7 ja and 8 2 ja. 72 by 3 is equal to 24. Option C. Next, what percentage of 250 which is equal to 1880 plus 18 into 2? Look at 18 is a common. It is 8 plus 2 is 10. It is overall is 180. And X percentage of 250. 25 percentage of what number which is equal to 180? That means 180 4 times. Okay, 180 4 times means nothing but 720. That means answer is 72. 72 percentage of 25. 72 percentage of 250 is equal to 180. 25 percentage of 720 is also equal to 180. Then option B is the correct. Next, x square plus 299, x square plus 299. Look at 124 and 8. Either motor multiply with 5 and after that also you can add it. Otherwise 124 plus 8 which is equal to 132. 132. 132 half value. 132. 124 plus 8. 132 half value is here 132. We'll write 132 into 5. Okay, 132 into 5. So 130 half value 65. It is a 660. 660. 5 2s are 530s also we can apply. Otherwise you can take the half. 132 half value 66. Extra at 0. From this we have to remove the 299. We will get a x square. Then 299 of 660 means 361. 316 is equal to 19 square. Then option D. It is a direct question. Root of 256 is equal to 16 plus root of 576 is equal to 24 x divided by 3. It is 16 plus 24 is 40. 43 is equal to 120. Option B. 676 divisible by 676. 26 square is equal to 26 square is equal to 676 by 26 into 12 minus 124. 26 square is equal to 676. Here 12 into 26, from that we have to remove 124. First of all multiply. 12 2s are 240, 12 6s are 72 which is equal to 312. Okay, 12 6s are 72, 2 and carry forward is 7, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 7. It is 124. Remove the values to getting an answer. So from 300, 100 will be removed now. We will get a 200. Okay, from 200, 12 will be removed. Again you will get minus 12. From 200, 12 will be removed. We will get 188. Then option E. 416 minus 240 divided by 16. 416 minus 240. So how to remove it? Look at, from 400, 200 remove it. Result is 200. Then 200, 16 is removing from the 240. Extra we have to remove it 24 also. Then from 200, 24 will be removed. The result is 176 by 16 which is x divided by 45. Look at 16 to 176. 11 times 11 45 means 495. Then option A. Yeah. Next question is 80. That is the final question. X square plus 26x plus 168 is equal 0. This 168 is very near to 13 square, answer 169. Then 13 minus 1 it is a 12 and 13 plus 1 14 and that two negative factors. 14 plus 12 is equal 26. Clear, it is matchable. Next coming to the 210. 210 means it is also near to the what is the square? 15 square. 15 into 14 is equal to 210. Then 15 plus here minus 15 and minus 14. And both are the negative factors. Here is also, because plus is always given two factors negative, and here is equal, and here is what? Here greater. And comparing to minus 15 and minus 14, it is minus 12 is completely greater. Then final answer is x greater than or equal to y, option D here. Okay, so till now we completed almost 40 questions. Okay, thank you.